G'day guys, welcome back. Welcome to Pouring Your Heart Out. Now, as some of you may be aware, my husband and I, Dave, are on a Carnival Encounter South Pacific cruise. It's a 10-day cruise, and I'm just going to show you, in case you're interested, how the Carnival Hub works. Now, this is it here, the Carnival Hub app. So you can download the Carnival app, weeks, months before your cruise. You can check in on there. I set my alarm for like 5 minutes past midnight on the check-in day and go in and select the earliest embarkation time that I can, which was 11:30 in this cruise, so I did that. Once you're on board, that's when the little hub app comes into play. So you click on that. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to do... No, I'm going to have to turn it that way. Okay. I was hoping we could do a horizontal, but we can only do a vertical. So if you're cruising with other people, you can set up like a group chat. So this little speech bubble here, I won't click on it because we've been talking to each other. But if you want to keep in contact with each other, you just set up a little chat group, and you can say, hey, where are you guys? Or where do you want to go? Where do you want to go next? Things like that. So you can set it, you can chat to each other. So today is a sea day. We've got 2 sea days. We're heading back to Brisbane after our 2 days, sea days of coming up, 5 shore days, and now 2 days at sea to come back. So you can go to my planner if you want to see what you've got booked for the day. I'm just going to scroll up. You can go to food and drinks. I'll show you how that is. Show you what that does there. So you just tap on that one, and it says you can have room service pretty much all day. There is a fee for that. Trattoria Pizzeria is open between 11 and 4, and that is free pizzas. You get 2 slices. You can order your own pizza, put what you want on it, but there is a charge for that. Luke's Bar and Grill. So these here it's open now. So this is lunchtime. If I opened this app in the morning, it would show me what's for breakfast. So you can go to Luke's Bar and Grill. There's a yum cha at the Dragon Lady for lunch. So it says making reservations. You can book everything online. You can check out the menu. The pantry is the buffet upstairs on deck 14. That's a free buffet that's open between 11:30 and 2:30. And then it's also open in the afternoon for some afternoon tea. The seafood shack is seafood, but you do need to pay for that one as well. And Luke's Burger Bar is open between 12 and 2, and you need to pay for that. But look, you don't have to pay for food. There's so many places you can eat for free. You don't have to pay to eat. So there's a high tea in the afternoon if you want to go to high tea. And then dinner. So you can book the chef's table if you want to, $167 per person, and you get all your wines to match your meals. Now it says here Angelo's reserved. So myself, my husband, and the other 4 people that we are traveling with, our friends, we've all got a booking at Angelo's for $7.15. So the 3 main restaurants, Angelo's, Dragon Lady, and Waterfront, those 3 are included in your fare, and the cruise line will rotate you through those 3. So we were at Waterfront last night, we've got Angelo's tonight, tomorrow we've got Dragon Lady, and then it would start again, Waterfront, Angelo's, Dragon Lady. They rotate you through. The restaurants' menus change each night, so if you're on a cruise for more than 3 days, you'll get different meals. So because we're going to Angelo's tonight, I can just click view menu, and we can see what's for dinner tonight. And you may decide, it's not really my thing, don't really like anything on there, I'll just change it and maybe go to Dragon Lady instead. And that's fine, you can do that. You don't have to eat at the restaurant that you're allocated for that night. You can ring guest services and just change it. You can ask any of the staff at any of these restaurants. You just give them your room number and say, I want to change my reservation for whichever restaurant you want to go to tonight, or you can just go up to the buffet and help yourself. So duck pot stickers, kind of like a little gyoza dumpling type thing, Caesar salad, minestrone, prawn cocktail, Greek salad, or a crab cake. I've already decided I'm going to have the crab cake for entree tonight. And then we have mains, spaghetti carbonara, there's a salmon salad, grilled jumbo prawns with a mushroom risotto. This is what I'm having. I've already looked at it. Garlic butter. Chicken chow mein, I've had that, it's delicious. Stir-fried chicken with vegetables over noodles. Ribeye roast if you like steak, with potatoes, veggies, and a choux. And of course there's the vegetarian or vegan options. They're really good. You know, if you've got any food allergies or you're vegetarian or you're vegan, just let them know and they'll make something for you. Desserts. There's always this section here where it says treat yourself and you pay extra for those, but like I said, you don't have to pay for any meals. You can get everything for free. It's just if you choose to order the extras, then you pay. So dessert, creme brulee, black forest cake, Carnival melting chocolate cake. You can have a cheese plate, fresh fruit, or the mile high pie. Someone is ringing me. Wait 1 sec. It's one of my friends probably going, where are you guys? Oh my gosh. All right, so that's that one there. We'll go back. Waterfront. We did Luke's Bar and Grill. We paid for that on the first night, which was absolutely amazing. There's Trattoria, which is the other paid restaurant. So anyway, and we'll just go back. So that's food and drinks. So Planner, we'll go back up to where's Planner? No, it says on now. Oh, what's happening now? It was right there. So you just click on the little arrow there, what's happening now. So it tells you what's on every hour. So 9 a.m, 10 a.m, 10:30, etc, etc. I like bingo. The card sales start at 1 p.m. there. So you do get a paper record of everything that's on. You don't have to use the app if you don't want to. You can just read your little sheet that they give you every night. You can pop it in your bag, in your purse, in your pocket, just carry it around with you if you don't want to use the app. You don't have to use the app. You can, ring from the phone that's in your cabin. You can ring and make your bookings for lunch, dinner, breakfast. So don't feel as if you have to use the app. I just find it's useful, but you don't have to. And you can look at here and see what's on. There's music in the Encounter Hotel at 4 p.m. And as you can see, lots and lots of things. There's trivia, there's karaoke at 6 o'clock tonight. I am going to see the main show tonight. Musicology is on tonight. So there it is, showtime in the Marquee Theatre at 7 p.m. And that is repeated. I shouldn't go too fast, should I? Oh, there's a movie on. Mission Impossible at 9 p.m. That's under the stars on the pool deck. So I'm going to go to this one, Musicology, and you can tap the little button. So it'll put that in your liked area or your planner. So you can go back and go, oh, that's right, I'm doing that at 9 o'clock tonight. And also anyone that's in your group, if you're all linked, they can see that that's where you're going to be at 9 o'clock tonight. And then after that, you might want to, there's a disco on tonight, 12 p.m. There's a band, there's some music, so lots of things to do. And if you think, oh, I wonder what's on tomorrow, you can just go up here and you can tap the next day and do the same thing. Oops, what have I? I'm looking through my screen, so I'm not looking at what I'm doing. I think I pressed the wrong button. Okay, day 10. I pressed the wrong button. I couldn't see what I was doing. So you can see what's on tomorrow. as well. There's trivia at 9:15. They have a lot of free sort of lectures, talks. The movies up on the pool deck, 10:15. Bad Guys 2. There's bingo tomorrow as well. There's trivia. I went to a Queen trivia this morning. So yeah, lots of things. And then just to get back, little arrow. We're still on. Are we still on tomorrow? Yes, we're still on tomorrow. It says there tomorrow. So you might want to look at what's on. Where are we going? Food and drink. Click on that. You might want to see what's available in the Waterfront Restaurant. Waterfront Restaurant is open for, what day am I on? All right, Thursday, that's tomorrow, so that you can go and have a look. So for breakfasts, you can either go to, there's free choices, the pantry upstairs, which is the buffet. You can go to the Waterfront Restaurant, or you can go to Angelo's. They serve the same food, it's just a different restaurant. So what you want to do, I can't do it now obviously because it's Wednesday afternoon, but what you would do if you want to go to the Waterfront Restaurant for breakfast, you would just click this little button here where it says check in to dine. It will be blue. So you check that, and then head down to the restaurant, and probably by the time they get there, you'll see a little message here in the Carnival Hub app, and it'll say your table's ready. So just do it before, check in to dine at your chosen restaurant before you're ready. Leave your cabin, toddle down there, and then by the time you get there, your table will most likely be ready. So that's how you can do that. And there's lunch as well. For the dinners in the evenings, it's probably best to, when you check in, they'll say, do you want early dining or late dining? Just because you've clicked early or late doesn't mean that that's what you have to do. Once you get on board, you just go and see the lovely staff and say, you know, I'm booked in for a late dinner. I don't want to eat at 7:30. Can I please change that to the early dinner? And that'll be fine. So what we've done, ours was late, a late dinner, and when we got on board, we just said, what's the earliest we can eat for the late session, because we want to get to the 9 o'clock show. And they said, well, you could eat at 7:15, all 6 of you. So we said, that is great. Can you book us in for 7:15 every night? So that's what they've done, and just rotated us through those 3 free restaurants. So the planner for, I'm going to go to tomorrow, day at sea. So that's day 10, that's tomorrow, Thursday. No, I'm on the wrong day. Let's see. Oh yes, no, we're not disembarking at all. Oh, it's a disembark talk, okay. Had me worried there for a sec. So tomorrow, this is what we've got on tomorrow. I'm just going to actually go down and see what the main show is tomorrow night. Like I said, if you're eating early, you can go to the 7 o'clock main show. Harry Potter trivia. But we eat at 7:15, so we go to the 9 o'clock show. Only goes for 45 minutes, and you can still go somewhere afterwards. A band, a trivia, karaoke, up on the pool deck to watch the late movie. So tonight we've got Musicology, the show. I think it's just a like singing, dancing type show. Oh, Love and Marriage is on tomorrow night. Yay! And if you want to see what it involves, you can just click on it, and it'll tell you a little bit more about it. Oh, I've been wanting to see this, you guys. I better not miss that. I'm going to put a little tick on it to put in my planner. How well do you really know your better half? Oh, I've seen these before. They are so funny. So that's in the Marquee Theatre. It gives you a little map of where you need to go. The Marquee Theatre is the main theatre. It's that 2-level big theatre. So definitely going to go to that. And I'm going to put a little, whoops, can't see where I'm ticking because I'm looking through the wrong screen. I'm going to put a little tick there, highlight that little heart. So that'll come up as a little reminder as well tomorrow. And then after that, there's got some guitars. Oh, see, there's, no, I don't think we'll make it to that, but there's comedy if you'd rather do that at 9:30. Probably would make it to this one, the Punchliner Comedy Club in the Black Circus at 10 p.m. because the show will finish at 9:45, so you could run over to the other side of the ship or maybe walk slowly and watch the comedy. So that would be good as well. There's a 90s and 2000s disco night up in the Altitude nightclub. So yeah, lots of different things. So anyway, hopefully that was a little bit of help for you on how to use this app. I really do think it's a great app. So there you go. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've used the app, what you think of it. Yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Okay, take care, guys. Bye for now.